Cryptocurrency trading bots are becoming increasingly popular among traders as they allow for a more efficient and automated trading process. These bots are computer programs that can be designed to follow specific trading strategies and execute trades automatically. Easy Trading Guide. If you are interested in using a cryptocurrency trading bot, here is a guide to help you get started. Understand the risks. Before you start using a trading bot, it is important to understand the risks involved. While bots can help you automate your trading strategy and potentially increase your profits, they can also lead to significant losses if not used properly. Make sure you understand the mechanics of the bot you are using and the trading strategy it follows. Additionally, keep in mind that cryptocurrency markets can be volatile and unpredictable, so always be prepared for unexpected price movements. Choose the right bot. There are many cryptocurrency trading bots available, each with their own unique features and trading strategies. It is important to choose a bot that fits your trading style and goals. Some popular bots include 3Camis. This bot offers a range of trading tools and features, including automated trading bots, portfolio management, and social trading. Chaos Online. This bot offers a variety of trading strategies and tools, including backtesting, technical analysis, and arbitrage trading. Boombot. This bot allows for custom trading strategies and includes features such as trailing stop-loss orders and advanced order types. Do your research and choose a bot that has a good reputation and fits your needs. Set up the bot. Once you have chosen a bot, you will need to set it up. This will typically involve creating an account on the bot's website and connecting it to your cryptocurrency exchange account. Make sure you follow the instructions carefully and set up the bot according to your trading strategy. Some bots may require additional setup, such as configuring technical indicators or setting up trading rules. Test the bot. Before you start using the bot with real money, it is important to test it in a simulated environment. Most bots offer a backtesting feature that allows you to test your strategy using historical market data. Make sure you thoroughly test the bot and make any necessary adjustments before using it with real money. Monitor the bot. While the bot is designed to automate your trading strategy, it is important to monitor its performance and make any necessary adjustments. Keep an eye on the bot's trades and make sure they align with your trading strategy. Additionally, keep an eye on the overall market conditions and adjust your trading strategy as needed. Be prepared for market changes. Cryptocurrency markets are notoriously volatile and can change quickly. It is important to be prepared for unexpected market movements and have a plan in place. Make sure you have stop-loss orders in place to limit your losses in case the market moves against your position. Additionally, be prepared to adjust your trading strategy as needed based on market conditions. Conclusion. Cryptocurrency trading bots can be a powerful tool for automating your trading strategy and potentially increasing your profits. However, it is important to understand the risks involved and choose a bot that fits your needs. By following these steps, you can get started with a cryptocurrency trading bot and take advantage of the benefits it offers.